Why is my RV beeping? Hey folks, welcome to Down the Road. My name is Will Van Winkle. Today we are hunting down a beep that I could not figure out what it was. I thought it was my, sorry I didn't put my slides out so I'm having to waddle through here. I thought it was my smoke detectors. I have not changed the batteries in the smoke detectors since we got them, and I know that is very bad. All right, so these are very simple. If you've ever changed the batteries in your house smoke detector, you can change these. You just twist it, pull the battery out, put a new battery in, twist it back on, right? Okay, well, I've changed the battery in this already. The beeping continued. What is it? I see this question on RV forums all the time. Chances are, if it is not your smoke detector, and we got one in the rear and one in the front, and I've changed the battery on both of them, and the beeping continued. If it's not the smoke detectors, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be your LP gas detector, or you may have a carbon monoxide detector on board as well. So it could be that. Carbon monoxide detector, I believe, is going to be just like your smoke detector, where you got to change out the battery, assuming you've got an older model and it's got batteries. Some of them may be hardwired into the coach by now. For us, it was the LB detector. Now we have the RV Safe RV LP2. And I went ahead and I bought the exact same one. That way I don't have to worry about the brackets. You see, it's a pretty straightforward deal. Couple of wires, a couple of screws, and you're done. So anybody can do this. It's a very easy fix. It's just 2 wires, 2 screws, because as I said, I got a direct drop in, so I don't have to worry about new brackets or anything like that. Now, our original one was put in here when we bought the rig in 2021, 2020, something like that. It says it's good until January 2026. Today's July 5th, 2026. Day after the 250th birthday of America. We actually discovered this because we were trying to sit in here and watch fireworks from our window. Not official fireworks, just our neighbors setting off some bombs, blowing off their thumb, whatever. Well, the beeping was so bad, my dog freaked out. We had to go back inside. We didn't watch the fireworks. So I got a direct drop in, so that it's going to make life easier, and then we're going to do that real quick. On my rig, that's not pee or poop or anything like that. That is, I think it's coffee stain. Anyway, that's where it's located. So this right here is the rear-facing dinette, and then the passenger seat, and then I got to get in there. So it's not the most comfortable positioning. I'm going to be halfway upside down, and it's only going to take a minute or two though. So you see why this is such a pain to get to. I'm trying to crawl down here by the seat, and it's just a really, really tight fit. So I don't know who designed this. I don't know why they designed it this way, but I hate them for it. I hate them for it. So here we go. We're going to pull this screw out. And I don't even know if you can see anything, because I can't even see the camera. You're probably looking at my butt. It's a great butt. It's okay. Probably go the other direction, because we're uninstalled. Pretty simple. 2 wires. Now, me being a former electrician and this being a 12 volt, I'm not disconnecting any power. I'm not turning anything off. I'm just going to take it off, take the wires off. I'll replace the wire nuts back on the live wires while I'm getting the new piece together. And then I'm going to put it back on there and I'll be done with it. Not even anything to worry about.
Headed to Lukenbach in a stolen Pontiac, listening to wailing and wailing the men in black. When I get to where I'm going, I ain't no coming back. All who wander sure are lost, and that's a matter of fact. All those crazy dreams are just a memory now.
It's fixed. It's in there. It's got a green light. Everything's good to go. There's no more beeping. Forgive the damp rid and the baby shower wrapping paper. I've been doing a lot of work in here, and so it's just kind of chaotic and messy. But I'm taking a trip soon, so it's going to get cleaned up. So if this video has helped you find your beeping and fix your beeping, and it wasn't your smoke detectors, which we needed to change those batteries anyway. They should be changed every 6 months. We've had this thing for like 5 years, and I'd never changed those batteries. I thought the beeping was originally that. It wasn't. It was the LP gas detector. But yeah, hopefully this will help you find out your problems. If it does, leave me a comment below, like, subscribe, share the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all down the road. I got more stuff to do.